Number 3, once again, we're looking at our common factors, the greatest common factor of these 3 numbers. So we'll just list out the factors of all of those numbers and see which one is the greatest among them. So factors of 8 are pretty easy. 1 and 8, 2 and 4, and that's it. 1 and 32, 2, and what gives us 32? 16. 3, does 3 go into 32? It does not. 4 goes into 32 8 times. Once again, we're narrowing down our possibilities here. 5 does not go into 32, 6 does not go into 32, 7 does not go into 32, so we have all of them listed. 1 and 64. 2 goes into 64 how many times? 32 times, because 2 times 32 is 64. 3 does not go into 64. 4 goes into 64. 4 goes into 64 16 times. 5 goes into 64 no times. 6 does not go into 64. 7 does not go into 64. 8 does go into 64 because 8 times 8 is 64. And we've got all of our factors. So which is the greatest? The greatest common factor of all of these? Well, 2 is a common factor. 4 is a common factor. That's not the greatest one, I don't think. 8 is a common factor. 16 is a common factor for 2 of them, but not for the third one. And so it appears that 8 is our greatest common factor. So 8 is the greatest common factor for all 3 of these numbers.